Sorry, do I give off the vibe that I do drugs or something?
No, I don't think
Or is
so.
it just a joke because it's Choki?
Iya,
Nah, Choki
kayaknya
tuh
itu
yang,
ya.
I do make good money, I do admit that.
Oke.
The money's nowhere near as much as the money that I get per month from my mother's inheritance. So, that's, yeah.
Can I have 10% of that? Mic drop. You want to do a mic drop? I can use my hand. Indah Ji ada di sini bersama dengan kita. Kalau biasanya dengan musisi kita main tesnya adalah tebak lagu, tapi karena bersama dengan Indah Ji kita akan bacain komentar-komentar Indah Ji.
So we're not gonna be talking about Tulus today.
Padahal mau ya.
I love Tulus.
Tapi kita bahas komentar-komentar lo.
Yup.
Dan lo respon terhadap komentar-komentar ini yang ada di sosial media.
Sure.
Oke, yang pertama.
Yes.
Ini namanya disebutin nggak?
Sebutin
Sebutin.
aja.
Namanya
Biar mereka bertanggung jawab.
John Dia.
John Dia. Halo,
Ayo,
John.
Indah dites urin Pak Bapak BNN barengan sama si Coki.
Oh, are they insinuating that I'm doing drugs? I mean, okay, silakan. Ya, tes urin boleh aku. You're not gonna find anything other than like maybe like urine test.
Paracetamol,
Does that show up in urine tests?
tolak angin, matcha.
I mean, yeah, sure. I'd be down to show my urine test results. I think the only takeaway is that I'm a very healthy person. Clean.
And clean. Berikutnya.
Do I give off the vibe that I do? Sorry, do I give off the vibe that I do drugs or something?
No, I don't think
Or is
so.
it just a joke because it's Choki?
Iya,
Nah, Choki
kayaknya
tuh
itu
yang,
ya.
yeah.
Oke, berikutnya nama akunnya Ibu Watermelon. Second account.
Gak bertanggung jawab dong.
It's in English.
Okay, sure.
Claim as feminist,
Okay.
equality for all.
Yes.
Gue pakai intonasi ya karena.
Go ahead.
Yet you laugh so freaking hard at boycott movement.
Mm,
No such thing as equality without humanity. You are not an open-minded person, just another capitalist. What do you say about that?
Laugh at boycotting. Was I laughing? I know which. I think all of you in here know which clip she's referring to.
Mhm.
Was I laughing at boycotting, or was I laughing at Choki?
Interesting. Laughing at Chucky, I think.
I think actually this might be a good time for me to plug Panji Pragiwaksono, who obviously everybody knows. And he made an episode talking about this.
Okay.
And I listened to it, and in my opinion, I think he analyzed the context of that situation very well. So I mean, if for anybody that still cares about this whole like me and Chucky laughing clip thing, like I mean, you can just go tune into that one. It's on Noise. If you really care that much. Otherwise, to be honest, the simple answer to this whole backlash regarding me and Chucky is that you did not hear anything, my statements on how I feel about boycotting. I didn't say anything. All I did was just laugh, and I just laughed because Chucky, to me, humor is subjective here.
Okay.
Comedy is subjective.
Okay.
To me, Chucky is funny.
Okay.
Si Chucky ketawa aja, gue udah ketawa.
Jadi ngetawain Chucky
Yes.
dengan sikap-sikapnya
Yes.
yang menurut lo itu adalah lucu gitu
Yeah.
kan? Karena komedi subjektif dan menurut lo Chucky itu apa aja yang dilakuin lucu.
Yeah. No, and also just the fact that sometimes like part of comedy, I would like to challenge a lot of the people that are so angry at this whole like Chucky clip thing to think about whether if they were in my shoes or perhaps maybe not in my shoes. As in to say, understanding that comedy is subjective, the things that make us laugh, gak mungkin dong that you only laugh at things that you politically agree with.
Yeah.
Sometimes the reason why you laugh is because of the delivery, maybe the intonations used by the person.
Intonasinya.
Maybe sometimes it's also just because something is so absurd
Oke.
that you laugh. Because I think one thing that we can all agree about Choki and his character is that he has a very absurd, unhinged character. And sometimes, if he knows how to deliver it properly, which of course he does because he's a comedian and he does this for a living professionally, he knows how to deliver unhingedness and out-of-pocketness in a way that makes people laugh.
That's it.
That's it.
Sometimes shit is funny.
Sometimes. Sometimes it's really not that big of a deal.
Okay.
It's just a joke that was funny.
That's it.
That's it.
All right. Next one.
Next one.
Raka
booming.
salah dong. Gibran. Sorry. Raka Rikian.
Yeah.
Udah biasa ya Mbak dihujatkan, cara cari duitnya begitu.
Oh, I'm about to sound super. I'm about to sound super maybe classist and elitist here, but I don't have to be doing any of this if I don't want to. My mom is rich enough. Yeah, I can see how people think that, oh yeah, like you want to monetize and you want to capitalize off of this virality and like, you know, like
Arahnya ke situ ya.
yeah, arahnya ke situ, padahal it's like oh man, okay. If I'm gonna be completely honest here, the money that I make from doing content creation, I do make good money, I do admit that.
Oke.
The money is nowhere near as much as the money that I get per month from my mother's inheritance. So that's, yeah.
Can I have 10% of that?
No.
Alright, berikutnya. Cuma tukang masak biasa _ Dia bilang nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Ya namanya juga cuma tukang masak.
Berikutnya. Niche Vanderly.
Nish Vanderly. Second account.
Dia bilangnya yang penting frappuccino saya enak.
Yang penting frappuccino saya enak. If you guys do, since Starbucks is officially off the boycotting list, and if you would like to order something, my favorite at Starbucks would be the pink drink. It's not a frappuccino, it's a non-caffeinated drink, which I love because I've given up drinking caffeine for the most part. But if you go to Starbucks, go for the pink drink. It's super delicious.
Alright.
Yes.
Next one, Maharani MHR93. Bang Radit pasti nyesel banget udah podcast sama orang ini.
Raditya Dika and I go all the way back. Shout out to Raditya Dika because oh my goodness, I could actually cry sometimes. I think thinking just like how I feel like, oh man, I feel like I could cry just from how profoundly grateful I am that of all of the big names here in Indonesia that gave me a chance.
Talk to Raditya Dika.
To give me a chance in me establishing myself as somebody in the media and entertainment space here in Indonesia. Of all the big names that gave me that first chance, it was Raditya Dika. I'm so profoundly grateful for him. And also the relationship that we have, like we go all the way back, like since I think 2022. So this wasn't even the most recent episode that I did with Raditya Dika talking about stoicism. Like that wasn't the first time we collaborated. So the first time we collaborated was back in 2022 on both of our respective channels. This time around we did the same thing. Like I was on his channel. My episode with him on his channel hasn't come out yet, but the one of him on my channel has. So I don't, you know, and to be honest,
Nggak nyesel?
Gak nyesel. And Raditya Dika, he invites me to his stand-up show, so I don't think there's any I don't think there's any negative feelings.
So to the person who comment on this, suck it.
So, say the comment again. Was it Raditya Dika pasti nyesel?
Iya, udah podcast sama orang ini.
And how do they know that? Did Raditya Dika say anything? Also, it's like if he did really like nyesel collaborating with me, like if he felt that way the first time, what makes you think like he'll come back the second time? And he did come back the second time, so.
Mic drop. You want to do a mic drop? I can use my hand. Udah dimintain tolong. Alright, second chance ya nanti ya. Gue kasih kesempatan. Mudah-mudahan bisa. Last one, Reza. Not me.
Not you.
Not me. Reza is with a Y. I'm just REZA. This is RAYZA Carlos.
Okay.
Hore viral. Pasti demen kan dihujat?
Demen enggak, keberatan juga enggak. Honestly, I just don't give a shit about any of y'all. I have nothing else to say about that. It's just like I don't care whether or not. Say it again.
Hore viral. Enak kan dihujat?
Enak kan dihujat? Enak juga enggak.
Pasti demen kan dihujat?
Enak enggak, tapi merugikan banget juga enggak. I just don't really care. I'll say my piece. And if you like it, great. If you feel neutral about it, if you don't care, great. If you hate it, great. I don't care. I just don't really care.
All right.
That's it.
All right. Anything that you want to add to the camera? All the people commenting negative stuff about you.
To the ones leaving negative comments,
Gonna put my hand for a mic drop.
Good luck with your life. I guess.
I guess.
I guess.
Yakin gak yakin gitu? Alright, mic drop. Indah Ji, thank you.
Thank you.